how to fix voice calling problem. So if you want to fix your voice calling problem, or if it's not registered on your network, then first of all, you need to open up your phone settings. After opening your settings, you need to just scroll down. And first you need to go with Wi-Fi. You'll have a Wi-Fi option, tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi. Or if you're using your mobile data, then you just need to simply go with the mobile data, which will be right here, SIM card and mobile networks. Tap on it. Tap on your SIM card. And then make sure that you turn on your SIM card, or the access point names are turned on. Once you've done that, you can go back. Now you can go back. And you need to find a reset option. If you don't find it, or if it's difficult to find, you can just simply go with the search on your settings, and then you need to search for reset. Once you've searched for reset, you will have all of the options right here. You need to just tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network, and Bluetooth, and then tap on reset settings, which will be on the bottom. And once you've started the reset, just wait for a few seconds. And once it resets, you just need to simply go and restart your device, and your voice calling problem will be solved. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.